So for this experiment as well, we are trying to measure the expansion in solid, okay, heat capacity in solids, expansion in solids. Okay, so for this one, we will be keeping we would vary the temperature. Okay, we'll vary the temperature for this particular experiment. Okay, and then in so doing, how do we do that? Once we on the setup, we on this thermostat. This time around, we are not keeping this thermostat on the 40 value. Okay, we will be increasing the temperature. So we will increase the temperature from room temperature. Okay, so assuming the room temperature is 30, we would on this, make sure this water heats up to, we make sure this water heats us to 30 degrees, that's room temperature. So you realize that at room temperature, the water there wouldn't be any difference in the temperature of the water, okay, or the heat in the water would normally remain the same. Okay, so for every 5 degrees, so we push this to 5 degrees, we wait a while for the heating to take effect, and then we measure the expansion, which is the change in L. We increase this to 40, right? So from 35 to 40 we measure the expansion. For 50 we measure the expansion, 55 measure the expansion. So we are done with the whole experiment. So that's how we perform this experiment. It's not any difficult experiment. And then how to read this dial gauge or dilatometer, I have made a video on that as well, so you can check how that one is read. Thank you.